Wow, Charlie. Look what we have here. Bryson in Play-doh. And is that Thomas looking? That is Thomas.
No, that's not Thomas, Mommy.
That's not Thomas.
No, this was Superman Thomas.
That's Superman Thomas. Show me your other trains. Superman Thomas. You have a lot of miniature trains. Who is that?
Percy.
Percy.
Percy is Thomas' best friend.
That's his best friend.
This is Sydney.
Show his face. Hey, Sydney.
Hold on, Mommy. I just... Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh.
You okay?
I'm just going to do something real quick.
Okay, what are you going to do?
I'm going to do the same thing. What's the thing that I had?
And we'll be back for part 2 of Bryson's Play-doh Thomas video.